launch on the Soyuz is amazing, quite a bit different from the shuttle. You know, the Soyuz is a bit more like, sorry, the Soyuz actually is a bit shaped like this pen. It goes up straight up through the atmosphere. Now you know you've got the space station right up there. It's doing gravity.